Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a bathing garden haul. I placed a smaller order than what I normally do. Like usually if I'm placing a bathing garden order for the first time in a while, it's pretty big. But this one is much smaller because I just went in for a few things that I wanted to repurchase, and then I actually went back in like a week or two ago after I got this. This order's kind of been sitting around for a couple weeks. I haven't had time to film it, but I smelled a few of the scents that she had in here, and I was like, I need to go reorder that. So that's what happened. So let's go ahead and let's get right into the samples. I'm not going to show you like the packaging like I did before. It's pretty standard bathing garden. You know, it's always pretty packaging. That's what I'm trying to say. So the first sample I have is salted coconut, and this is the one I went back to reorder. So this is shredded coconut, blue, curacao, I don't know. Anyways, and fresh salt water. This scent smells so amazing. I am in love with her salted line. Oh, there is a sweetness in here, and I'm guessing it's maybe the shredded coconut and that blue, whatever that is. I meant to look it up before I did this video and I completely forgot. Oh, but this just smells so good. It's sweet, it's coconutty, but surprisingly it's not overly coconutty. It's just a good, like it really is salted coconut, but it's kind of sweet. I love that one. Love, love, love. So this next one is Take Me to the Fairies, and this is one that I went ahead and reordered because I love the smell of it. This is jasmine and lime, ginger, nutmeg, hints of mint. So it's that cute shape that she's got going on there. So jasmine and lime, ginger, nutmeg, hints of mint. I don't know what it is about this one. I think it's the lime in this one, and I know lime is tricky for some people. Oh, but this just smells so good. I love that lime scent in there. I don't know what it is about this one. This one is Take Me to the Fairies. If you like lime at all, I think you might like this one. Oh, it's not a lime bakery, but it's more of like a lime fresh, I would say. I don't smell a lot of floral in there, so that is that one. I went ahead and reordered that guy. This one I've had before, and you know, I didn't like it the first time I had it, but this, for some reason, this sample smells better to me. I don't know if she changed the oil or what. This is Country Berry Hotcakes. And again, like the first time I smelled it, I was like, ugh. But this one, I mean, I don't know. This one smells a little better. I'll enjoy the sample, but it's definitely not one I'd get in a clamshell. I think I'm just going to spare myself the heartache of ordering a clam and then being like, I don't want this. Yeah, this just smells like a typical Country Berry Hotcake scent. I'd say it's pretty standard there. I got a huge sample in this Sweet Honey Lavender, and this is that. It's kind of like a, I don't know what this is really. It's like a flower, or what is that supposed to be? So this one is okay. It's not a love for me on this one. It's just like a, it's not overly honey. It's not a heavy honey. It's just pretty with a little bit of light lavender. Yeah, it's not heavy honey. So try to push that one back a little bit. And then the next one I have, so I've had this one before in like the previous years that I've ordered from Bathing Garden, Midsummer Song. And this is sugared vanilla, candied lemon and orange, and sweet dark berry, sorry. So this one to me is very heavy on the dark berries scent. It just never stands out to me as being like, I don't know, I guess there's nothing, I just don't feel like drawn to it. Yeah, it's just like a heavy berry, and then I don't really smell like lemon or orange. Maybe slightly. I mean, in theory, the scent description sounds good, but for me, it just doesn't work. Like, I just don't love that one. And I've had that one, I think I even had it in a clam at one point, but it just wasn't for me. So I'll warm the sample just to see if it changes for me. This is, I always feel like this is, it should say dried blossoms, but it's dryad blossoms. I don't know, however that is. That was another one I was going to look up, but whatever. Mulberry and grape blended with sugary apple and strawberry jelly. This one is very strong. Yeah, this one doesn't work for me either. I think you have to have a really strong love for like mulberry and grape. And there's kind of like a hint of like a bitter something. I don't know. I don't like it. That one's not for me. So next one, I want to grab this one when the restock comes up. This is Coconut Cove. And actually, speaking of, the Take Me to the Sea is opening today at 2 Mountain Standard Time or whatever. This probably won't go up today though. Today's Friday. This will probably go up in a couple days because I'm a little bit backlogged. But this is vanilla swirled coconut milk blends with pineapple and banana. This one smells amazing. I have been gravitating towards these kind of scents. Yes, it's just like coconut and then you get a little bit of the pineapple and banana. This is like the perfect summer scent. Oh, that one just smells really, really good to me. I'm pretty sure I ordered this one. I know I ordered this, or no, I haven't ordered this one. I'm sorry. This one isn't out yet, so I did not order that one. I'm like already thinking in my head. This one is Violet Cottage. Now this one is very floral, very violet. You have to like a strong floral to like this. Whew. And this one is very strong. I don't even know if there's anything mixed in here with this one. I didn't look up scent description on this one because I smelled it and I was like, all I smell is just like straight violet. So that's what I'm going to tell you guys because that's what my nose smells. So there's that. All right, let's get into the clamshells that I got. So the first one I saw on the site was Ginger Peach, and that's what it's looking like there on the label. And Ginger Peach is sweet crystallized ginger blends with the perfect ripe peach. And that's what we got going on the inside there. I'll give you the, what am I trying to say? I don't know. What do you call it? Showcasing? I don't know. And this one is really pretty. I like this one. This is like a really nice peach. And the ginger comes up in there and it's just, I love this one. This is a really nice solid peach scent. Not bakery, just like fresh and pretty. The next one I have is Strawberry Nonsense. So I did warm through a Strawberry Nonsense earlier this year and I was like, you know what? I'm going to order another one because I really like this one. This is Creamy Zucchini, Strawberry Jam, Sun-Ripened Strawberry, Cotton Candy, and French Vanilla. This one, every time I warm it, oh yes. This is like a spicy zucchini bread. You know, there's different kinds. There's like your creamy zucchini, there's your kind of your spicy zucchini, and then you have a kind of like a drier zucchini bread, like not drier as in like your washer dryer, but like, you know, it's hard to explain. Like, I think Haley's Heavenly Scents was the, no, maybe it wasn't her. Somebody had a dry zucchini bread, and I remember always hauling it and being like, yeah, this is the dry zucchini bread. But there's like different kinds. So this one is definitely more of like the spicy. Like you definitely smell, like it's not creamy zucchini whatsoever. You really get the zucchini bread in this one, and just mixed with that strawberry is just lovely. So this is one I've repurchased several times throughout the years. The next one I grabbed is Red Velvet Jubilee. I'm just going to be honest right now. I smelled this one and to me it smells a little bit artificial. So let's see what's in it. It's red velvet cake, blends with buttery frosting and sugared strawberry. So I thought the red velvet cake sounded like a nice, like I don't know that I've ever had a red velvet cake. So there's what we are looking at there. And yeah, this one to me just smells really artificial. I think it's the strawberry. Yeah, I'm not loving that one at all. I would recommend staying away from that one. Unless you like artificial smelling strawberries, then you might like that one, but it's not for me. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. Pineapple Pixie is one I got a sample in, and I was all over it. I was like, I love this into that. Look at the sweet little picture that's on there. So this is pineapple upside down cake, blends with yuzu, mango, and frosted cupcakes. And this one is so precious inside. Like, I love that. Ah, and this one is like not overly pineapple. It's like the smoothest pineapple I have ever smelled. It's just really smooth, and I think that cupcakes really just brings it down. I don't really smell yuzu or mango. I just get a really smooth, soft pineapple scent, which is right up my alley. So that was another one that I grabbed based off a sample. Then I grabbed Pan's Pipes, and Pan's Pipes is agave lime, salted tequila, lemon, and tangerine. This one sounded really interesting to me, so that one's actually really pretty on the inside. This one smells a little strange to me. I don't think I got a sample of this one, because I think if I did, I wouldn't have gotten it, or I wouldn't have bought it. I don't know, there's something weird coming out of there. Maybe it's a tangerine, because I don't love, like, well, no, I do like tangerine. I don't know, it just must be the mix. It's okay, it's definitely one I'm gonna have to get on a warmer to see what the deal is with that one. I did go ahead and get Jello Fluff Cake. This is one I did get in a sample, so I went right ahead and ordered this one. This is Mango Nectarine Blend with Orange Peach Candied Vanilla. And there's what we've got going. Is that a gummy bear? Oh, that is adorable. It is a gummy bear. Is that cute? That's adorbs. I can't believe I just said adorbs. That would be my daughter. So this one to me is like that, it's like the Rose Girl one that I had, the Angel Marshmallow Fluff or whatever that one was. It smells very similar. It's just kind of like it kind of reminds me of like when you have a marshmallow salad at Thanksgiving or Easter or whenever you have at Christmas. And it smells like the stuff you stir it with, you know, like the marshmallow and then like I don't know what it is. Anyways, okay. I'm like losing myself here. Okay, the next one I have is Fizzing Lavender Soda, and this one is effervescent nectar, French lavender petals, and background notes of plum blossom and citrus fruits. Now, here's the deal with this one. This one is not what you think it is, like at least to me. To me, it smells almost more like a clean, so that's that one. That one has a lot of glitter on it. Look at that. So this one is very heavy on the nectar scent. To me, I smell more of the nectar. I smell more of like that plum blossom and the citrus. I get very little lavender, and I get very little like lavender soda. Now, when you think of lavender soda, you think of a certain scent, right? This is not that at all. This is more like a clean nectar smell, if that makes any kind of sense. This one is really good. I really like that blend a lot. That's probably like the third or fourth one I have. I went nuts with that one again. Okay, the last thing I have is I went ahead and I grabbed 3 circus breads. She had a scent from her very first circus restock. It was called Cream Filled Circus Bread. This is not it, but it was pretty, well, I don't even know if I'd say it was close, but it's pretty good. So it's circus bread. The Cream Filled Circus Bread was so good. I wish she would bring that back. I think she only had it at that first circus restock. So this is yeasty fruitcake, blends with fresh strawberry and vanilla. Oh, this is just, you get the bread, you get the, like, kind of like the fruitiness. Oh, it's just such a good bread scent. I love her bread scent. So yeah, that was a winner for me. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of that guy. So that is just my smallish bathing garden haul. I hope to get some from the Take Me to the Sea. That is one of my favorite collections of hers. I have so many favorite scents in that one. Well, not that many, but the ones I do like, I do kind of hoard throughout the year and then try to save them for next summer. But I still have some from last year that I'm going to warm this summer. Okay, that is it. That is my bathing garden haul. I do have a few hauls that I still have to film and upload and all that jazz. And I am behind on my weekly warming, and I also have a collab video, the one that I'm doing with Angie, coming up soon. I just need to film that one at some point. And I don't know, I want to pick a basket, but I've kind of been like just enjoying going in and getting stuff out of my stash. Now, I did ask on my Instagram if people like melting basket videos, and the majority of you said yes. I think it was like a 90-something% yes. So I was like, wow, I didn't think people really liked melting baskets, but apparently you guys do. So I don't know, comment down below if you like melting baskets in case you're not on Instagram. I'd love to know like what you think and all that stuff. So anyways, that is it, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are ordering from the Take Me to the Sea, I would love to know what you're getting or what you got from previous restocks or what you're waiting on. All that's fun stuff. I like to know like what you guys are buying too, or if you guys are holding strong. That's important too. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.